When it comes to salads, we all know it's important to start with fresh veggies. And if you don't have a good dressing to drizzle over it, why bother? Well, that's how I feel about croutons. I want them fresh, I want them big, and I want them flavorful. So let me show you how to get all of that. It all starts with the bread. We need to cut 1/2 to 1 inch pieces. I like to use either French, Italian, or sourdough. I don't recommend starting with sliced bread, as you want your croutons to be big and hearty. Now, we place some melted butter, olive oil, or a combo of those in a bowl, along with a little garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Drizzle it over the bread chunks till they're evenly coated. Then, place them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven. The key is to make sure they're fresh, crispy, and loaded with flavor. And don't forget, these are just as good in a bowl of soup as they are on top of salads. To get the recipe for our homemade crispy croutons, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a crispy, crunchy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.